Welcome back to the channel. Today we dive into one of the most important concepts in maintenance and asset management, corrective maintenance. If you work with machines, cars, trucks, gearboxes, compressors, marine vessels, or production equipment, you've definitely encountered corrective maintenance, even if you didn't know it. So what exactly is it? Why is it necessary? And how can it improve reliability in your plant or workshop? Let's jump right in. Corrective maintenance refers to maintenance tasks performed to repair equipment after a fault, breakdown, or decline in performance. Corrective maintenance fixes faults after performance drops. It starts when something stops working right. Then we document the issue and next steps. Scan the asset, open a work order instantly. This is reactive, responding to visible problems. Technicians diagnose the root cause before repair. Tests confirm what failed and what to replace. Filters, seals, and pumps often reveal defects. Panels and alarms point us to the fault. Leaks or noises signal where needing attention. If needed, stop the line and make it safe. Corrective maintenance is performed to restore the equipment to normal operating conditions so operations can continue. While sometimes unplanned and urgent, it can also be planned, for example, when a minor defect is identified during routine checks and scheduled for future repair. Most corrective work orders begin when a technician spots a problem during another maintenance activity. These observations lead to a new corrective maintenance task, planned, prioritized, and scheduled for later. The goal is always the same: bring the asset back to reliable operation. Industrial forklifts. A technician finds hydraulic oil leaking during an inspection. The forklift is taken out of service and repaired. Cars and trucks. A driver reports engine misfires. Mechanics diagnose clogged injectors and replace them. Marine vessels. A ship's auxiliary engine overheats because of a faulty seawater pump. Corrective maintenance restores cooling. Compressors. A compressor trips frequently. Technicians discover a blocked air filter and fix the issue. Gearboxes. Excessive noise indicates worn bearings. A corrective order is created to dismantle and replace them. HVAC and boilers. A boiler fails to maintain temperature. Technicians identify a faulty thermostat and repair it. Production lines. A sensor failure stops a packaging line. Corrective work restores functionality. Across all these examples, the goal is the same: detect, repair, restore. Although reactive in nature, corrective maintenance comes with many advantages. Reduce emergency repairs. Fixing problems early prevents catastrophic failure. Increase safety. Addressing leaks, noise, vibration, and overheating protects workers. Reduce service interruptions. Corrective tasks, scheduled through a CMMS, reduce downtime. Extend equipment life. Repairing worn parts prevents collateral damage. Optimize labor and spare parts planning. Tasks can be grouped and scheduled efficiently. Improve reliability. Small defects caught early prevent failure modes and boost uptime. Corrective maintenance is an opportunity for quick inspections. For example, when replacing the packing on a process pump, technicians should also inspect shaft runout, throat bushing where water pressure alignment. By taking advantage of these inspection opportunities, maintenance teams catch issues early, reducing repeat failures. Corrective maintenance becomes a reliability tool, not just a repair action. Advantages: lower upfront cost, simple to manage, flexible, done only when needed, perfect for non-critical assets like lights or small tools. Disadvantages: unpredictable failures, more downtime for critical assets, higher long-term costs, shorter asset lifespan, production interruptions and safety risks. This is why corrective maintenance should never be the only strategy. To reduce heavy reliance on reactive repairs, organizations can invest in technology, CMMS, sensors, analytics, track history, analyze failures, and plan better. Train maintenance teams. Technicians must know how to recognize issues early, improve tools and diagnostic capability, vibration meters, thermal cameras, oil analysis tools, etc. Automate work order creation. Link sensors and alarms to automatic CMMS triggers. Prioritize critical assets. Focus your team where failure has the biggest impact. Improve inventory and spare parts management. Stock essential belts, seals, filters, bearings, and sensors. Encourage inspection culture. Every technician should be empowered to report abnormalities. Corrective maintenance is a key strategy in every industry, from automotive and marine, to manufacturing, utilities, and facility management. While reactive by nature, when done properly, it reduces major breakdowns, improves reliability, and extends asset life. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who works with machines or maintenance. Thanks for watching, and remember, a small correction today prevents a big failure tomorrow.